the area of a square. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed the area of rectangle. So the rectangle has length and what, Mano? Length and Mano?
Length and width.
Yes, length and width. So how to find the formula of rectangle, Mano? It's what operation will you use? Multiplication.
Multiplication.
You multiply length and width. So today we will discuss the area of a square. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so can you see my screen, Mano? Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
How about that? No pa rin? Okay, I'll try it again. How about that, Mano? Can you see it? Can you see it, Mano? Mano, can you see it?
Wait, there is something on the screen, on my screen.
Okay, let's go on.
Says the meeting is being recorded. Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so number one, the area of a square. So how to find the area of the square? So since number one, we have the 8 yards. Okay, 8 yards. So the square has one measurement only because the measure of this and the measure of this, the measure of length and width of a square is just the same. Again, Mano, the measure of the um length and width of a square is just the same. Compared to the rectangle, the measure of the area or the length and width of a rectangle is not the same. So they have different measurement, the length and width. But on this square, length and width is just the same. So they have the same area. So how to get the area of a square? The formula for the area of square, Mano, is S squared. Again, the formula of the area of the square is S squared. What do you mean by S there, Mano? It's the side. Again, what do you mean by the S there is the side. So again, area is equal to S squared. Okay? S squared. So area is equal to S squared. That is the formula for the square. Now, since the side of the square is the same, so area is equal to, what's the measurement for number one, Mano? What's that?
8 yards.
8 yards. So A, then raised to the power of 2. Okay. What do you mean by 8 raised to the power of 2? How many times will you multiply 8 by 8 itself, Mano? Itself.
Um, wait, wait, witness. We're not learning that. We're
Okay.
we're learning like just 8 yards. Like
Okay.
the one yesterday.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So 8 squared. So it means that 8 will be multiplied by itself by 2 times. Okay, is equals to 8 times 8. So, area is equal to, what is 8 times 8, Mano? Mano, what is 8 times 8? Mano, what is 8 times 8? What is 8 times 8? Mano, what is 8 times 8? Hey.
64.
Very good. 64. So the area of a square is 64. Again, how to write the area? 64 yard YD then squared. Like that, ha? 64 YD yard then 2, a little 2 or exponent on above the yard. Okay. Okay. Number 2, you do it for me, number 2, Mano. And how I do it in number 1. What's the measurement for number 2, Mano? 6. Okay. 6. So, what's the answer? 6 times 6. 6 times 6, Mano. It's 6 times 6, Mano. What's your answer? 36. Okay, 36. What's the label? Feet.
Feet.
And then, where? Like that, huh? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, number 3. Do it for me, number 3. What's your answer? Yes, very good. 12 times. What's that? 12 times? Twelve times. Ano, are you there? Your signal is bad. Good. Okay, Mana, 12 times. How many times will you multiply 12 by itself? 12 times. Ano, are you still there? Okay, again, you do it again, Mano. Number 3. What's the measurement for number 3, Mano? Mano, what's the measurement?
12.
12. Okay, how many times will multiply 12 by itself? 2. Okay, 12 times. 12 times.
12.
Okay, 12 times. You do it. 12 times 12. What's your answer? Okay. What's your answer? 100.
36. 36.
136. No. Try it again. 12 times. Just wait ha. I'll clear your drawings. 12 times 12. Like that. 4 times 4, Mano. What's your answer? 4, then 2.
14.
4 times 4? 4. No, let me do it na lang ha. Wait lang. 12 times 12. 4 times 4. What's your answer? Mano, 4 times 4. What's your answer? Mano? Hey, what are you doing?
Yes.
2 times 2. What's your answer?
4.
4. And then 2 times 1 here. 2 times 1. What's your answer?
2.
2. And then the next digit, second line, 1 times 2. 1 times 2.
2.
2. And then next digit, 1 times 1.
1.
1. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. So bring down 4. 2 plus 2.
4.
4. And then bring down 1. So the answer is 144. Okay, answer is 144. Well, no. 12. So the answer is 144. What's the label? What's the label, Mano, for number 3?
144.
Then, is that feet, yard, or inch?
Inch.
Inch. Okay, inch, then square. Okay, that's how you write, That's the area of square. How about number 4? You do it for me, number 4. I'll see if your answer is correct. Open. Okay. Let's check if your answer is correct. So 18 times 18. Okay. 8 times 6 is 30. 8 times no. 8 times 8. Mano, is that 6? Why did you write it 6? 8 times 8. Do not erase your work so that we can compare. 8 times
6.
8. 8 times 8, Mano.
36.
What? 56. 6 and
56.
are you sure? 8 times 8 is 56. You try to evaluate. Are you sure?
Yes.
8 times 8,
Wait, no. 66.
66? No,
56. No.
No, no, no.
54.
54. 54? Are you sure? 54?
Uh,
Oh, go back to the multiplication table, Mano. 8 times 8.
8 times 8. 8 times 8.
Yes. 8 times 8. What's your answer?
Um,
What's your answer? 8 times 8?
64.
64. Okay, 4. Bring down 4. Carry 6. 8 times 1.
8 times 1.
Yes. 8 times 1.
8.
8. Plus 6. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, Mano. What's your answer?
8 times 6.
No, 8 plus 6.
8 plus 6. 14.
14. Okay, very good. 14. And then next line, 1 times 8 is 1 times 8.
1 times 8.
Yes,
8.
8. 1 times 6.
1.
1 times 6.
Wait. 8
6.
times 6.
1 times 6.
1 times 6.
6. Okay, yo, plus
6.
4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry 1, 6, 7, 8. 824. Okay, what are you doing? Focus on your lesson, Mano. Okay, let's go to number 5. Number 5 is
Um,
how many what is the measure in number 5? How many inches is the square? Okay. Okay, Mano, I will call
um,
you again, ha. Just wait.